To monitor Google Analytics segments, start by understanding what segments are and how they can help you analyze your data. Segments are subsets of your data that allow you to isolate and analyze specific groups of users, such as those who have made a purchase or visited a certain page. First, log into your Google Analytics account and navigate to the Reports section. Click on the plus sign next to the Reports tab to create a new segment. Choose from a list of predefined segments or create a custom segment based on specific criteria, such as demographics, behavior, or technology. To create a custom segment, select the conditions that define your segment, such as country, language, or browser type. You can also use more advanced conditions, such as the number of pages viewed or the amount of time spent on your site. Once you have created your segment, apply it to your reports by selecting the segment from the drop-down menu at the top of the page. This will allow you to view your data filtered by the conditions you specified. To monitor your segments, use the Audience Overview report to see a snapshot of your segment's demographics and behavior. Use the Behavior Flow report to see how users in your segment move through your site. Use the Conversion report to see how your segment performs in terms of goal completions and e-commerce transactions. Best practices for monitoring segments include regularly reviewing and updating your segments to ensure they remain relevant and accurate. Use multiple segments to compare and contrast different groups of users. Use the segment comparison feature to compare the performance of different segments side by side. By following these steps and best practices, you can effectively monitor your Google Analytics segments and gain a deeper understanding of your users and their behavior. This will allow you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your marketing strategies for better results.